Well, hi everybody, and welcome back to a new year. It's January the 1st today. I mean, we haven't made a video for quite a while, but today what we'll be doing, we'll be planting some of our own kelsae onion seeds which we saved last year and took, and we've got our propagator going so it's nice and warm. So I'll show you the old kelsae. These you know, they've got nice roots growing already. We'll be potting them on into some pots later on, but today we're actually going to plant some of our own seeds from them kelsae onions which we had in the summer. So basically what we're going to do, take this off. I mean, you can see there's a bit of moisture in there which you expect. And I've already opened the seed packet. I'm just going to make a little drill just across it. I suppose about 2 inches apart, 50 centimetres, something like that. And we'll just drop them in individually. I'll only do a few because I've got lots of others to plant. Right, so that's the kelsae onions in there. Now I've got some Elsa Craig as well, which is quite a large growing onion. This is Elsa Craig. They come in a little plastic file. If I can get it out, of course, that is. There we go. I suppose that keeps the seeds nice and fresh. So I'll just pop that off. Now we know we've done 2 rows of kelsae. We'll do another 2 rows of Elsa Craig. Once again, just use your plant label to make a little drill in the surface. And then we'll put them over there. Once again, not too many to start with because it's early in the season. We just want to get these away to a good start in the propagator. I mean, they'll only be here for maybe 10 days before they take them out. Look, you know, you only need a little bit of that heat for the seed to germinate, and once it's up in the surface, you can take it out of there because they're really quite strong plants. I think that's enough of them for actually. I'll put these few back. So just cover it over. I mean, you can use sieve compost or something like that, or vermiculite just to keep the light in and the seeds out. So we know we've got 2 rows there, and we know we've got 2 rows there. I'll put some more rows in them later. I mean, I've got some more kelsae onion seeds. These are Saturns. I mean, these are very hard to get hold of these days, but we still seem to be managed to find some. And we've got some more kelsae onion seeds here. They actually spell it kelsae, but it's the same onion. Anyway, we'll put those away. Put the cover on. And within 5 to 10 days, I think they'll be germinated. I've got the vents hole open, so it's not going to build up any mould in there. And then we'll get on to planting our onions from last year, and we'll be getting our own seed from them. So I've already pre-filled the pots. Oh, I've just emptied that pot all over my grow light. There you go. That's what it was. Right. So basically, as you can see, the roots, I mean, it's the 1st of January. I mean, that's not bad really, is it? And all I'm doing is just clear a little hole and just let it sit on top. You know, I don't want to sort of like force it down and squash the bottom of the bulb or anything like that. So we'll do another one. Just make a little depression there for the roots to go in. So these are the old roots, these are the new roots. I'm just going to leave them on really. So I've got a bit of moisture in the actual soil, as you can see. I mean, it's not soaking when you crush it, but it is damp. So make the same thing, another little hole. This one just starting to grow there, so that will be coming on shortly. Just pop it in there. So that's 3 of the kelsae from last year. We're going to grow them on and get our own seed for the following year with a bit of luck. Now, the bench they're sitting on, this is actually a grow light I bought off of eBay second hand, and I've been growing some kelsaes since October, but I don't know why they've split. But these have been under the grow lights, so they're quite well on for this time of year. I'm also growing some strawberry seeds. Had some really nice strawberries in the summer, and I actually just cut the skin off, put the seeds in a tray, and they've been growing on there ever since, and they'll be going out later on in the year to give us some new strawberry plants. Really sweet tasting ones. It's just nice and tasty. So I'll just pop them back down there. So obviously, like, the grow lights go on later, they're all on a timer. The propagator's on, that'll keep them all nice and warm. And that's it, first instalment of the year. Have a nice day. See you later down the line on the next video. Bye.